Sup, tubers? As you know, unless you're a recent subscriber, occasionally manufacturers send me stuff for my expert opinion and product evaluation and review. And I gotta tell you, this is one of the best things that I have received in a while. I gotta be honest, I was in the market for one of these. I'd been up at Costco and they had a 3-pack of these or something. And I looked at them and for some reason or another, I didn't buy it. Good thing I didn't, because my good friends at Sanlinkee sent me this. What this is a LED work light, 3,000 lumens, 30 watts, USB rechargeable. And of course it comes with a little USB. I think that's a micro mini charger. Everybody's got a drawer full of these chargers. But this is pretty cool. So on the back of it, of course, you've got a power on and off switch. You've got I'm gonna call it a weather tight connector here because I see a little gasket around there. This is tight and you can hear how hard it is to pull it off. It's got a little switch right there which shows you the battery left on there. You got your charging cable to charge it, and you've got a USB, old-timey USB, in case you want to use this as a brick to recharge your phone or other electronics. Here on the front, you got 2 lights. Boom. I'll shine it at me, and I'll shine it down here at the table. This is bright AF, but there's 2 of these. So one of these is a flood. You can see that flood right there. And there's the spot. The other one's a spot. It's kind of like a flashlight. Rubber, softer rubber corners on it, so it'll be grippy. This ratchets. You can carry it like a little purse if you want to. You can fold it up and put it in your toolbox or tool bag. You can open it up, stand it up like that, stand it up like this, adjust it. I really was looking at one of these mainly because this is really good light for an auxiliary light for when I do my videos out in the garage or the field. You want a little more light for better production quality. The switch feels good. There's nothing I can say bad about this. And to me, I don't really need the flashlight part of it at the same time. So I've got a workaround for that I will share with you. Gaff tape. Everybody knows what gaff tape is. If you don't, Google it. I think it's GAF. Is it GAF or GAFF? So I'm gonna put that over the flashlight part of it and use it more for a floodlight. And then when I do want or need the flashlight, I can remove it. So you see that? You can see that beam right there. If you want to buy this, the link will be in the description down below. They're only $28 on Amazon. One more thing, because you know me, I've got to be a critical reviewer. I wish that there was a way to add 2 or 3 AA or AAA batteries to this. I understand that this form factor of only being about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches at the most deep, that would add some bulk to this. But here's my reasoning behind my request. So if the manufacturer's listening to me, hear me out. when these things do lose power, they normally lose power fast. So you got full light, full power, and then it kind of drops off real quick. So what does that mean? Now you got to go get your cord and recharge it. If it had replaceable batteries, I could pop in 3 new batteries, which everybody has on hand, and I could be back up and running without waiting for it to charge. It's not a complaint, it's a suggestion to the manufacturers. Okay, full disclosure, I've got my kitchen lights behind me partially on, dimly lit, so that's what you're seeing. And now I'm going to show you this new light. That's the floodlight. I still have the gaff tape over the spotlight of this because I'm not in the market for the spotlight. But to show you what it looks like, because you might be in the market, boom. So you can see the spot right there in the middle. It does kind of get overpowered by the floods. Gaff tape back over the floodlight. So for a work light and all, we don't need that spot. And then, just because we don't like shaky ass things in front of us, I'm just going to set that down on the table. And there's the light. So, I like this light. I really do like this light. It's not that big. And the other thing I like about this is, because my quartz light that I used to have, that plugged into the wall, it had a 6-foot cord. That's 6 feet right there. The bulb on it would get so hot. The whole unit would get so hot, and it finally burned up. This is good. It's not blinding if I look into it. Yeah, it almost is. But for a shop light, work light where you need the light, this is good. Highly recommended. Fjester approved. All right, man. I'll see you. Hey, Siri, subscribe to Uncle Fjester on YouTube.